Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming a Balenciaga unboxing. So these are just items I've picked up over the past couple of months, so I thought I'd share them with you all. So the first item that I picked up was a denim jacket which is from Paris, and it just came in this massive bag, and it also came with this like jacket cover bag. So it's Balenciaga, and it comes with a Balenciaga hanger, which I'll show you in a second. So for this section of the video, I'm just going to put the camera there. So when you get the jacket, it'll just come with this, and this is basically the receipt holder. And because I bought it from Paris, that's to show what the receipt looks like, and I bought it in euros, so that translated to £1,195. So I'll just give you a quick overview of the jacket. It comes with a black velvet hanger that says Balenciaga on it. I got the colour dark grey, that washed out, and then just turn it over. It's Swarovski's, so in the light it shines, which I'll show you guys later on. That's what it looks like. So this is an overview of the jacket. I got a UK 6, but bearing in mind that it is very oversized, I think the lighting doesn't really do it justice. So moving on to the details, it has 2 pockets on either side, and they're quite deep, and it also has 2 buttoned pockets. And if you look in the details, it says Balenciaga Paris on the button. And then this is just the back of the jacket, just quite plain to be honest, and then obviously the writing on the back with the diamonds on. You can get cheaper versions, which is only like £200 cheaper, but it doesn't have the diamonds, it's just plain. So I've just turned the flash on my phone, and look at how shiny this jacket is. You can literally see it shining. And I'm not joking, like this is what it looks like when you're walking around. This is how much it shines. I feel like this is such a statement piece in your wardrobe. A, because it's black or a dark colour, and B, because it'll never go out of style. So this is the first jacket done, and I'll show you the jacket that I bought. This is exactly the same, but it's just, this is like black, but it's really hard to tell on this camera. So this jacket is basically exactly the same as the other one, but it's just black. And I saw this in Selfridges, and I was like, oh my god, I had to get it. Even though it literally looked exactly the same, but you can just tell the difference in person. So this jacket retails the same as the other one, where you can kind of tell like that's black and that's grey. But I've only bought these just because they're investment pieces, and I feel like in the future the price will go up. I was walking in Selfridges a few months ago, and someone stopped me and offered me money for this jacket. So yeah, just an investment piece really. So the next bag in my collection is this leather tote. I got this from Selfridges last month, so I think they'll still have it in stock. It's leather. Basically, it's just like an everyday bag, as you can tell, and it's just plain. That's just what it looks like. And then inside it says Balenciaga, and I've just got my stuff inside. But that's literally it really. It's such a plain bag, but this cost £825. But honestly, I'm not even joking, you can use this bag every day. Like, it is definitely worth your money. And then the final item that I bought was this, and I bought this from Paris. So it comes in like this envelope. So this is what the scarf looks like. It's 100% wool. I'm not sure what the price is. I think it cost about 600 or 7, I'm not sure. And then a cool feature about this scarf is that it's reversible. So that's the white side, and then that's black. And it basically just goes with every outfit that you wear. So guys, that brings us to an end of this unboxing and haul. Please comment down below what you thought of this video, and if you have any questions about any of the items I've mentioned in this video, I'll respond back. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.